Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you an unboxing of the SF Figuarts BodyKun BodyChan figurine sets. So let's get going. We'll start out, there's a male and there's a female figurine. And if you don't know, these are really used for referencing in drawings. So if you want to do your drawings of figures and stances and like almost like an infinite number of poses, like this set will help you do that. So I'm going to open it up. This is actually the first time I've been opening it, and I'll take you along. So let's do that. So you can see it comes in a nice box and a very protective plastic, obviously. But the cool thing is this figure is here, and you can actually have the figure in all these different poses. So you basically get the figure. This is the male, as I mentioned, a couple of papers here as well, just to kind of show you what's included. Pretty standard stuff. The really neat thing is that it comes with these different poses and postures. So if this was the male over here, you could actually remove the hand, and you can actually change, and perhaps you want something like an outward hand. So what you do is, where are we? There we are. You just pop this on. Just make sure you don't drop it. So what you do is you just pop this on the hand, and now you almost have like this pose, right? So here, I'll put it on the white paper. So now you almost have this pose where if you're reaching out, so how do you want to draw this? Do you want to draw this figure, kind of going like this and reaching forward? So different poses will give you different things. Now, you could have them with just hand on the side, like all these different things. So really neat. It comes with all of these different hands and more hands. Really, really neat stuff. A couple of them fell apart in here. So it also comes with different things, like if I open this real quick, you can see inside this packaging there's different items. So in here you almost have a little collection of things. So you might be wondering, well, what are these things? This is a sword. So if you have some sort of action pose, this is a really cool item. So you can actually get the sword into the pose. There's a gun, there's a computer, there's a cell phone and a smartphone and all kinds of stuff. So these are all the different things you get. And I think the last thing in this piece of plastic, which I'll open real quickly as well, basically just anchor points. I believe these are just things that you can use to, anchor your pose and your posture and stuff, and just kind of keep things in place. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's like a really, really neat thing. I think a lot of people don't realize how much help is out there for people that want to do figure drawings. People always ask me on the channel, how do you get these figure drawings together? And this is going to be a tool that we use. So just a really, really neat thing as well. What else can I tell you? I think there's so many different cool things about this. By the way, this little platform over here, so this is a platform, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, you can actually get, let's see. I think you can almost put this inside here for some sort of, let's see. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this clearly. This platform and this pole basically connects. So you can see over here, this platform connects. And what you can do, and I believe on the back of the figurine, you can actually put this plastic right on there, and the figurine can actually stand on its own and just stand up and just be in a position for you. So you can actually do that as well, and it basically keeps your item in place. Okay, so that's what the platform is for. Like I said, there's like all these different things, just to review everything here. Your platform holds the figurine, the actual figurine itself. This is optional, but the piece to attach to the platform the accessories, that's a gun, tablet, a smartphone, a cell phone, all the hand positions, and many more hand positions as well. And just a really cool and neat setup. So again, this is basically what you get in the BodyKun, and this is the BodyChan. So again, this is the exact same thing with a female body, and you can do all these different poses. So if you want to draw figure poses and figure sets, this is a really cool and really neat thing. I hope this unboxing helped you just kind of show you different tools out there for drawing, and I hope you enjoy this. So stay tuned and have a great day.